see. Watch me react to epic scenes full of glee. Surprised by the twists, laughing and crying. Big emotions, honest reactions. Enjoying every moment, keeping it real. Just love the reactions, pure and true. Watch together, me and you.
Medyo nahihirapan ako makisama sa mga teammates ko.
Wait, hindi ko naiintindihan. Ikaw, hindi marunong makisama? Very friendly ka nga eh. Topakin lang, pero hindi ka ever nagka-problema na makapag-usap sa mga hindi mo kilala.
Topakin.
Naging kaibigan mo nga yung mga tambay dyan.
Puro bakla ang mga teammates ko.
O tapos,
Iba sila mag-isip. Iba sila magsalita. Di ko nagigets yung humor nila. Ang susungit pa nila. Lagi akong inaasar na bakla.
bakla ka ba?
Hindi ah.
Hindi ah. O bakit defensive ka? Pagkabawas ba ng pagkatao mo na mapagkamalang kang bakla? At kung hindi ka naman bakla, bakit na-o-offend ka?
Tell him,
Hindi
tell
naman
him.
importante yun na mapagkamalang ka ng bakla. Basta ang importante, kilala mo yung sarili mo at wala
True.
kang tinatapakang tao.
Mhm.
Yun ang mahalaga. Tsaka mahiya ka nga sa mga ka-teammates mo, ganyan ka mag-isip. Kung ako ka-teammate mo, maiinis din ako sa'yo. Isipin mo yung mga pakiramdam ng mga ka-teammate mo ngayon sa volleyball na passionate sa game. Kaya, kung gusto mo magpatuloy dyan sa varsity ng volleyball, uno, panindigan mo yan at yakapin mo ng buong buo.
That's a good advice. Listen to her, no?
Kaya naman.
And suyuin mo na si Jared na pumalik sa team.
It's just that, pansinin mo din yung mga points ni Coach Larry na makakatulong sa'yo.
Nakampihan mo na naman si Coach Larry.
Hindi. Yung ka na naman eh. I'm just saying, Coach Larry has good points na makakatulong sa'yo and your team.
Yeah, he needs to listen
Pero
to,
wala akong
especially as his
pinapakita.
coach.
And I know
He needs to respect him as well.
Uno have history. And what he did was
Yeah, and I don't think
disappointing.
his teammates knows about the history.
Pero,
Because I think if they did, his friends would side with him.
Fars, pati ikaw bad trip sa akin?
Our training ends here. Kaya pala sa akin ka nagpapaturo. Kasi ayaw mo ma-associate sa mga teammates mo. Yung mga baklang iniiwasan mo. Mas tunay pa silang lalaki kaysa sa'yo.
Dang. Panaginip ba to?
Whatever being a man truly means to you.
Oh, I thought it's dream. Or, you know, Uno's nightmare.
Lucian, Diamond, Kidlat, Ethan, dyan lang kayo ha. May pupuntahan tayo, wait lang. Uno! Sama ka. Okay?
Okay.
Saan tayo pupunta?
We're going to Jared's.
Oh.
Coach, with all due respect, pero sa'yo siya galit. Kasi kung ano-anong pinagsasabi mo.
Exactly. But you're not that innocent, Uno. I mean...
Yeah, come on, Uno.
You're the root of all...
Evil, tapusin ko na.
Well, I was going
Suyuin mo
for
na.
conflicts, issues, troubles, problems, conundrums, predicaments.
Alam nyo, TBA, to be honest, my point
TBA.
is si Uno.
To be
Dahil
honest.
lang yun,
Ang gulo nyo eh.
Sumama ka na.
Gusto nyo bang bumalik si Jared dito sa team natin o hindi?
Oo naman, coach. Hindi na yung tinatanong.
Why, of course.
Yeah, there is no team without Jared and we all know that.
Yun naman pala eh.
I'm just amazed how big his house is. They're rich.
Mga pa.
Magandang po.
Good evening
Pasok po kayo.
Good evening.
Nakahintay nga lang po sila dito sa loob.
Pero promise mo,
Ooh,
walang magbabago ah.
it's bringing a lot of memories.
I might be gay? You like boys?
We're gonna find out why he changed his mind. Oh. Nalaman niyang crush siya ni Jared. So that's what happened.
Jared, uwi na pala ako. Sorry. Hinahanap na kasi ako ni Mama.
Akala ko maglalaro muna tayo.
Ano bang mood niya ngayon?
Pawis na pawis yung coach.
Ganun yun kapag ayaw makakita ng tao. Coach, okay lang kayo?
Ha? Ako? Oo naman. Bakit?
Parang kasi pinagpapawisan po kayo tsaka namumutla.
Di.
Juan Paulo Santillan, is that you?
Tita.
Oh my God! Ang tangkad mo na! At ang gwapo, ha?
Yun ang una?
Of course! He was Jared's childhood best friend. Nagtataka nga ako kung anong nangyari sa inyo noon uno eh.
Wait, didn't Jared tell you all?
Yeah, they don't know about it.
I didn't think it was important to tell.
I know we've been having our differences, but that has never been grounds for quitting. Alam ko, irita ako sa'yo. Pero I can set those things aside because you're my captain. You are my friend.
And if I may add, you talked to me. You convinced me to join back. Jared, I sacrificed a lot to be here.
Come back. Come back to the young and beautiful you. Tapos nakakainis ka eh, no? Tapos kalisin, pahabol pa tong baklang to.
Give it a shot first. Sumama ka sa amin. And then after, kung talagang ayaw mo na, or ayaw mo sa akin, then it's okay for you to leave.
Sasama po siya, coach.
Dad, stop.
Go Uno. It's going.
Dapat sumama ka. Kailangan ka ng team.
Please. I'll think about it.
I think whatever between Jared and Uno, it's not gonna happen. But let me have the kill egg. And what's the title of the song? Aww. He kept it.
Saglit lang, tawa
Bakit
ka
may
dyan.
clock?
Because time is always by my side, coach. Ito, may bubbles pa ako because of my personality.
Very low. May bubbles.
Hindi ka pwedeng face card na lang?
Okay, your
I'm
stop
gonna get
is...
this, coach. Thank you so much.
May kandila pa siyang dala.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so.
Jet form, please. Thank you. Good sign.
Coach, wala pa?
Wala eh. Hindi na siguro darating yan.
No, let's wait for him.
I guess we gotta go. Kasi traffic pa eh.
May grand entrance pa yang si Jared. Oh. Here they are.
Diamond, where do you want to stay? The girls or with your team?
Sa boys pa ako.
Coach, walang problema sa amin. Sa amin ka na, Diamond.
Yeah, you can stay with us. And we can paint our nails pink or whatever color you like.
Oy, thank you pero gusto ko kasi makasama yung teammates ko. Pero dadalaw ako kasi gusto ko din ng pink.
Okay, promise yan ah.
I love that. I love that.
Settle na kayo dyan. We will have our lunch and then we'll start with the activities. Thank you.
There's no signal for anybody.
Extra pillow.
That's not even what he said.
Coach, can I not? Sorry. Gentlemen first, let's go. Ready?
Aww.
Get set.
god.
Yan, kalma lang, kalma lang.
Hurry, hurry, hurry! Come on, come on! Silence, please! Oh my God, hurry up, hurry up! Sorry lang, ito na, sir.
Ate, napasok mo lang yung paa mo! Hoy, bilisan nyo! Stop rushing! Go!
Go, 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 girls!
Oh. Teamwork. That was good.
No matter how powerful that spike is, can always be confronted by a block. Volleyball is very direct. It thrives in communication. Pag may narinig kayo nagsabi ng mine, kailangan nyo i-trust yung teammate ninyo na kaya niya saluhin yan. I will remind you, confrontations do not have to be aggressive all the time. You have to talk it through. You have to listen. You have to trust. Lagi niyong tatandaan. Famous
Jared and
volleyball
Uno
players
needs to talk
are not famous
to
because of
settle
their skills alone. They
what's
are
ever
famous
happened, and
kasi
Uno
team
you know,
players sila.
he needs to be
This
honest
is
with
how they
Jared.
become great volleyball
Why he
players.
became distant.
Sorry na.
Napilitan?
Hindi. Seryoso. I'm sorry.
Nice.
Kasi
Let's all
noong
apologize
time,
and
emotions get the best of me.
Mhm.
Pinaras niyo ako to be your captain, pero I let you down.
I know Uno can be a jerk. And you know, no, you can be a jerk.
Mhm.
You were a jerk.
Accept
to me.
it.
To us.
Mhm.
Noong una ko nakita mag-spike to, sabi ko sa sarili ko, he could be a great asset to the team. You made this team safe for everyone, Jared. Natatandaan mo ba, nung muntik ako makick out, kasi I decided to wear girls' uniform. In-invite mo ako, sabi mo, ika na training ka sa amin sa volleyball. Kasi yung sport itself, tsaka yung players, are not gonna judge me. Sabi mo, you're gonna call me by my name. And by my preferred pronouns. Thank you, Duna. Kasi I felt seen, heard, and understood.
Nakakatakot kasi magpasok ng mga taong pwede manakit sa
I
atin.
know.
Ay, sus. Bakit ka matatakot? Nandito kami, ha? Gagang to. At saka kailan ba kita iniwan sa laban? Sorry, sis, ha? Pero ang sakit talaga ng tampal mo, te, kaya sinuunod kita ng malala.
Okay, fine.
Oh my god.
Sige, naakis na ang may sala.
Plastikada ka ng taon. Tapos na tayo mag-confrontan. Baka kayo ni Uno gusto niya mag-confrontan dito.
No.
Come on.
Confrontation needed.
Let's do it now.
My God, what is happening here? Please, let's go!
Okay, let's go somewhere. Man, I really wanted. Well, we still have a lot of episodes left. Ooh, let's party! I mean, I want Uno to. I want Jared and Uno to settle this. And you know, Uno to explain everything to Jared.
We both know that you and Jared didn't only grow apart. And what irks me off is Jared is even protecting you. Hindi mo nga alam kung bakit siya nagagalit sa'yo. Hindi ka pa nga nagsasorry eh.
Alam ko.
Sure ka? Hindi mo ata alam kung ano atraso mo sa akin. Can you stop staring at me like that?
Like what?
Well, she's right though. He's got beautiful eyes.
Huh?
Kainis. Ihi na kasi ako eh.
Parang wait.
And Jared's gonna see this. Oh my god. Man, this was so fun. I love this. We still have a lot of episodes left. I think 4 episodes left, and I hope, well, of course it's gonna happen. And I can't wait for that to happen. Yung mag-uusap na si Jared and Uno and to settle their differences and, let it out what they're feeling inside. It's gonna be fun. I love this.